Everyone need money, so today we are talking about top 7 countries in the world with highest salary in 2020. Number 7, Netherlands. When it comes on GDP per capita, Netherlands is considered one of the richest countries in the world. Tax rates in the Netherlands are high, that is why people have less take-home salaries. But the government provides service like education and health free in exchange for the tax collected. That's really good. People in the Netherlands get $51,003 per year. I think that's enough. Number 6, Australia. The minimum wage in Australia is highest in the world. Here, worker gets 17 US dollars for 1 hour of work. That's really good. While in the USA, it is only $6 according to the size of GDP. Australia is the 12th largest economy, and as per the per capita GDP, it's the 5th largest economy in the world. That sounds good. An employer gets an average of 51,148 annual salary. Number 5, Norway, the beautiful and very peaceful country. Norway is a natural resources rich country. Norway has a plenty of oil, forest and other natural resources. Here the rates of taxes are high, but one of the benefits is that people are given high quality health services and higher education for free. People here have to work only for 30 hours in a week, so people of Norway get more time to have fun. That's really amazing. Having fun and enjoy with friends and doing parties. This country always has top 3 rank in the Human Development Index. Here people get 51,780 US dollar annually. Number 4, Ireland. Ireland has highest standard of living in the world. The total population of this country is approximately 46 lakhs. It is the agriculture center of the UK, but its economy also depends on Ireland's strong technology industry. It is a knowledge-based economy which has many high-tech companies as well as the largest video game maker companies in the world. The tax rate here is low, so people have a higher take-home salary. Here people get 53,286 US dollar. Number 3, Switzerland. Due to its beauty, this country attracts tourists from all over the world. The large part of economic growth of this country settled in European comes from the some items such as medicines, chemistry, watches, measurement instruments and musical instruments have very good demand from every corner of the world. In Switzerland, average salary of people 55,085 US dollar. Number 2, United States of America. America is the world's largest economy and it's the richest country in the world. It is the world's second largest arms manufacturer and larger trade. An American worker works on average 44 hours in a week. People here have to pay tax 31.6% on their income. The rate of taxation on income in the United States is similar to countries like Canada, Australia and England. USA is the second spot in giving salary to its employers. Here average salary of an employer is a 57,882 US dollar. Number 1, Luxembourg. According to the global report of the Economic Cooperation and Development Organization, the European country Luxembourg with the 5.43 million population gives average salary of 61,511 US dollar per year to its employees. Here, government imposes 37% tax on this salary. Luxembourg is known to provide steel to hold Europe apart from this. It also provides chemical, rubber, industrial machinery and financial services to other countries in the world. Guys, please like this video and share this video with all of your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.